Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll test out the bike ramps that I made in a previous video. This thing's a little bit top heavy. Here's the landing ramp. Here's the kicker ramp. And there's the bike. Okay, now I need an apple. Now that the dangerous part is done, I don't need the helmet. No, I'm just kidding. I'll still use a helmet. Safety first. Right now I'm just getting the feel for the ramp. Okay, now I'll spread them out a little bit. About 6 inches, not much. Okay, so I completely missed this whole ramp, so I'm gonna move it out a little further. This is the first time I've ever done a ramp, actually, on my bike. About 2 feet. Let's hit it. Whoa. Okay, so that was like perfect. Perfect distance right here. Okay, so I missed the entire ramp again, so I'm gonna move it out another foot. Okay, that's about 3 feet. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I completely missed that one too, so 4 feet. Ooh, now it's looking a little bit far. Okay, yeah, I don't feel very good about this one, but give it a go anyway. So I guess 4 feet is a little bit too far. I'm gonna bring it back now. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever done ramps on a bike, so maybe maybe I should get more practice before I just full send it. That's why you wear a helmet. Okay, let's go. Okay, so that didn't work. So I guess I'll put them closer together. 1 foot again. We'll see. Okay, so that one I kind of did. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so I'm just not going high enough. I keep on going up to here and then landing like off the ramp. So that's what it feels like anyway. They got closer. Maybe I need to put weights in here. There we go. I'll give it a couple more shots. See how I do. Okay, so that one, I went super slow and almost fell off the bike, but I didn't, so I'll do it again. Now I'm going to do it with no space again. I don't know why, but I'll try this out. Okay, finally did one. I think that was pretty good. I'll try to do it again. Okay, well, I guess I'll stop while I still can. They're fun. So now I just need to load them back up, tote them back. So I might make another video of me testing these out once I practice some more so that I actually know how to use a ramp. But anyway, that's it for this video. Like if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.